The English Football League Championship Play-Offs are a series of playoff matches contested by the teams finishing from 3rd to 6th in the EFL Championship table. The semi-finals are played over 2 legs, with 3rd playing 6th and 4th playing 5th, with the return fixtures following. The final is played at Wembley Stadium, although from 2001 to 2006, it was played at the Millennium Stadium in Cardiff while Wembley was being rebuilt. The first playoffs at this level were contested in 1987, when it was the Football League Second Division. From 1993 to 2004, following the creation of the FA Premier League as a breakaway from the Football League, it became the Division 1 playoffs, and since 2005 has taken its current name as the Championship Play-Offs following a rebranding of the remaining 3 divisions of the Football League. There is no single sporting event in the world more valuable to the winners, who end up approximately £170 million better off than the losers, mainly due to the increased commercial television revenue from being promoted to the Premier League. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.